In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Shopify. By the end, your Shopify store will use your Gmail address for key communications, so order notifications and important store updates reach an inbox you actually check. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin and that you can access the Gmail inbox you want to use. Start by opening your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, the place where you manage products, orders, and all your settings. Once you're in, look toward the lower left corner and click on Settings. From there, choose Store Details. This section holds your store's core information, including the email address Shopify uses to contact you and, in some cases, to route replies. Inside Store Details, find the field labeled Store Email. This is the address Shopify uses for internal notifications and some communications about your store. Click into that field and type your Gmail address carefully. It's worth pausing for a moment to double-check for typos. Missing a letter or a dot is a common mistake that can cause verification issues later. Use the Gmail address you monitor most often to make sure you don't miss order alerts or security notices. After entering your Gmail address, click Save. You'll usually see a confirmation message that your changes were saved. Saving triggers Shopify to send a verification message to the Gmail address you just entered. This is an important step. Shopify needs to confirm that you own that inbox before it can fully use it for store communications. Now switch over to your Gmail inbox and look for a new email from Shopify asking you to verify your email address. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two. Still nothing? Check folders like promotions, updates, or spam, as automated messages can land there by mistake. When the message appears, open it and click the verification link inside. That action tells Shopify you've confirmed ownership of the address. Once you've clicked the link, your Gmail address is connected and verified. Back in Shopify, you should be all set. From here on, important store messages tied to the store email will route to your Gmail. If you were expecting the email and it never arrived, revisit store details in Shopify to confirm the address is spelled correctly and save again. That's it. You open Shopify admin, went to settings and store details, changed the store email to your Gmail, saved the update, and verified it from your Gmail inbox. You're now ready to receive your store's communications reliably in Gmail.